Hi guys, this video is everything you need to understand your individual weekly price action. All right. Now, before the start of every week, I always check how my Friday candle close so that it's going to help me to determine what I should be expecting for the next week. And that is all about this video and everything I'll be showing guys in this video. Now, take for instance, if I bring you guys to this chart on Euro US dollar. Take a look at everything I highlighted here. This is what we did during the weekly webinar with my mentorship student. Okay, this was the last weekend webinar. Okay, you can see all these individual abstract candles I indicated here. Now, this whole thing you are seeing here is as a result of how Friday candle closed. Okay, now Friday candle is going to help you guys to determine the profile you should be expecting for the week you want to trade. For instance, if I take you guys to SEU US dollar, you will see that this profile I highlighted here on SEU USD is definitely different from what you saw on Euro US dollar. So the way Friday candle closed, for instance, look at how this Friday candle closed on SEU USD is different from what you saw on Euro USD. Okay, that's why this video is very, very important, because I'll be unveiling to you guys different price action profile you should be expecting every week you want to trade, because having this in mind before you engage the week you want to trade is going to help you guys to make solid decision in the market. Now let's go back to Euro US dollar. Now, as a trader, you're definitely going to experience two types of weekly profile, okay? Either an expansion weekly profile or a contraction weekly profile. Now, this weekly profile means the individual weekly candles, okay? Either you experience an expansion weekly candle like this, whereby you now have nice big move in the market for that week, or a contraction whereby you have a small movement in the market on that week. If you go to weekly time frame, you will see all these type of candles on weekly time frame, okay? This can also be a bearish condition. You now have big bearish move in the market, small bearish move in the market for that week. But however, whichever type of price action you have for that week, there is something that is very, very certain. There's definitely going to be the close of that weekly price action. And the weekly price action definitely going to close on Fridays, either a bearish close or a bullish close. Now, this close of the week is very, very important. This Friday close of the week is very, very important. How this candle close determine what you should be expecting next week, okay? Now, this is what we are going to do, okay? We are going to relate this close of the week, this Friday close of the week, with what we should be expecting next week price action. Now, it starts from the direction of that week, okay? Now, what we are going to do next is relate this Friday close of the week with the direction of next week we want to trade. For instance, you guys know we have only two types of direction, okay? Either a bullish week or a bearish week. I'm going to show you guys how to frame direction if you don't know how to frame direction. Now, whenever we have concluded the direction of the week we want to trade, if it's going to be a bullish week or a bearish week, the next important thing we need to do is, okay, how did the last week candle close? For instance, how did this last candle close on Friday? Is it a bearish candle or a bullish candle? By the time we have seen how the candle closed, it's going to help us to know how we are going to relate it to the direction of the week we want to trade. All right. Remember, it's always bullish or bearish. Now, let's take bullish week, for example. Okay. Let's take bullish week, for example. The week we want to trade, we are expecting bullishness in the market. Now, the next important thing is, how did the last week Friday close? Okay. How did last week Friday close? Very important. Now, your last week Friday candle is definitely going to close either bearish or bullish. Remember, we are using bullish week for example here. So let's assume we're expecting bullishness for the week we want to trade. Now, I'm going to work with this first profile whereby Friday candle close bearish. Okay. Now, if Friday candle close bearish, which is a very good, I personally love this kind of profile whereby you are expecting bullish week and then Friday candle close bearish. I personally love it very well, because if I see this kind of profile in the market, it's an indication that that week I definitely going to win almost every, just like this recent week that just ended. I started trading on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and I won all of them, like 5/5, because of how the previous weekly candle closed before this last week I traded. Okay, I personally love to trade this profile whereby the Friday candle closed bearish and then I'm expecting bullishness. You know why? Because whenever Friday candle close bearish, all right, and then the market is bullish for the week, it has given me a discount price action. This is what I'm talking about, all right? It has given me a discount price action. So this is Friday candle. Now, because I've seen that Friday candle close bearish, the next thing I expect is on Monday that week, I should be expecting bearishness in the market. Okay, now this bearish Monday price action, I'm going to take it because Friday has already given me the indication that Monday is definitely going to be bearish. Okay, now guess what? Prior to this moment of this Friday and Monday price action, we were having bullishness in the market like this. Okay, the market has been expanding to the upside. So at this point, we are already having more discount price action at this place. Friday discount, Monday discount. So all I just need is Tuesday to form the low of the week like this. Okay. Tuesday to form low of the week and then accelerate to the upside. So meaning I should be expecting bullish candle here on Tuesday. But first, I told you it's definitely going to trade lower to form the low of the week and then expand to the upside. Okay. Now that it has expanded to the upside, all I just need is to keep following that direction for the rest of the week. Just like what I showed you guys right now on Euro USD. So the low of the week is formed, price just expanding, and then to the rest of the week. So this is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Now, after this Thursday, we are interested in how will the Friday candle close for this current week we want to trade. Chances are it's going to close bullish like this, okay? Because I told you guys it could either close bullish or bearish, or chances are it's still going to close like this one, right? This bearish, and then give us more discount. But however, you won't be having this kind of discount every week, you know. Most times you'll be having it expansion like this, close bullish, just like what I showed you guys on SAU US dollar. Let me open up SAU USD right now. You see SAU USD last week Friday closed bullish. You can see, right? It closed bullish and the weekly direction is bullish. Okay, so that's why we expected this short movement on Monday here. And then anyhow, you can form high of the week here and then end up as a contraction week. I don't expect this week to be an expansion week, okay? But however, let's take a look at how last week candle closed before this previous week we just traded. This is Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday, Friday. You see, Friday gave us the discount, okay, to the downside. And then Monday, although Monday formed the low of the week, but however, Monday was still in alignment with what Friday price action did. So what I'm trying to say in essence is that, let me go back to Euro USD. All right. So what I'm trying to say in essence is that the way Friday candle close matters a lot. Remember what I just showed you guys right now is if Friday close opposite to the direction of the week, for instance, bearish Friday close, while we're expecting bullishness for the week. So we're going to have this kind of profile, okay, whereby Monday or Tuesday form the low of the week, then price accelerate. This is the best profile to trade as an ICT trader. But sometimes Friday can close bullish like this, all right, just like this one now. Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday, and then Friday close bullish like this, and your next week is still bullish, okay, meaning Friday close bullish and then your next week is still bullish. That's going to be the last profile I want to explain to you guys. But before I do that, you know, so many of you have been sending me DM lately regarding the mentorship. You know, so many people have been asking when next is the enrollment back, you know, when next are we taking new students. Guys, this mentorship program is always active enrolling students because my interest is to trade alongside with these students, you know, as they are learning from the mentorship courses, as they are learning from the mentorship program, they are seeing me applying it in real life. So the goal is to hold the student by the hand, show you how this thing is done in the market in real life. Now, regarding the mentorship fee, trust me, guys, it's very, very much affordable compared to the value you will be getting from the mentorship. Come on, guys, this mentorship fee, you are learning everything to make you a profitable trader. Also, you are trading alongside with me every week. I'll be posting all my trading signals. And these days now, we are doing flipping accounts on Mondays or Fridays. So there are a lot of value that is embedded in this mentorship. I've never seen any other mentor that does all these things I'm doing for you guys. So click on the WhatsApp link in the description part of this video. Then I'm going to walk you guys through the process. All I just want is to build a healthy trading community where every one of us will be profitable, you know, smashing this market back to back. Now, let's get back to what I was explaining to you guys. You see, like as I told you guys, most times this is the profile you'll be experiencing, okay? Whereby Friday close in direction of the next week, okay? Take a look at this current price action right here, okay? The weekly candle close bullish, and next week we are expecting bullishness in the market. Now, this is the scenario whereby you now have a contraction price action like this one, okay? Because the market will not just be expanding like this on weekly time frame. Though it's possible when there is, you know, heady economic data driving the market that year. But this current year we are in, you know, there's no heady economic data that is driving the market. So we should be expecting expansion, contraction, expansion, contraction until we now enter a good economic environment. Okay. So after Friday candle have closed like this in alignment to the direction of next week, this is what I always do. This is what I always tell my mentorship student. First, on Monday, you should be expecting a bullish day, okay, on Monday, just like that profile I showed you guys on SAU USD. Then after this Monday bullish price action, next is maybe Tuesday we go in alignment in direction of that Monday, but sometimes Tuesday will form the high of the week, okay? When Tuesday form this high of the week, meaning price will start, retracing back, okay? Retracing back. Wednesday we retrace back. Let's change that color to bearish, okay? Wednesday we retrace back. Then Thursday will continue like that, just like I showed you guys on SAUSD. Then as Thursday is retracing, all right? Then Friday, we don't know how Friday is going to close. However, maybe Friday will still close bearish like this. Now, this is also a good price action, guys, because obviously with this kind of data you see here, the weekly direction has not changed if we go to weekly time frame, because the weekly candle has not closed below other weeks. So the weekly direction is still bullish at this point, okay? But guess what? This is what I love. Friday candle has closed bearish at this point, and the weekly direction is bullish. Now, I want to ask you guys one beautiful question. What should we do when we come into the market the week we want to trade? Obviously, we should be expecting this profile again. So this is how this thing is done on daily time frame, because everything you are seeing here is on daily time frame. You see, I keep measuring Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. Of course, you should know it's done on daily time frame. So this is how you guys were seeing all this market structure on daily time frame. You keep engineering, come back like that, like that. You gather all this data, then they give you the market structure. So this is how to expect your individual weekly profile, individual weekly price action, how to extract them, and how to blend and flow alongside with what the market is giving you. Now, the next thing you need to do is, look for your entries on any of the days you want to trade. This video is not about entry. Of course, I've done other videos about entry. I'll go to link it to this one. I'm also going to do more videos about entry for you guys. I'm always going to be showing up here on YouTube to educate you guys, those of you that are still here to join the mentorship program. All right. I believe this video has been insightful to you guys, and you have learned a lot from this information I've shared with you guys today. So if you are new here, please make sure you subscribe to this channel, turn up your notification button. I'll see you guys next upload. Peace.